Hey, what's going on guys? I know I'm late with the video, that's because I was out of town for work. So now with that clear, let's go in detail about the new Mi Mix 3. We have heard news that the Mi Mix 3 will be fully bezel-less and some rumors, even images pointed out towards a movable camera assembly like the Vivo next phone. Xiaomi's president Mr Lin, odd name huh? He posted this image which is most likely the new Mi Mix 3 and holy moly, this thing is dope. And just to clear, since it is posted by the president himself, not US president, Xiaomi's president, it is indeed 100% legit. What we can see here is that this is also some kind of lift up assembly, as we see this whole part with the cameras is movable like the Oppo Find X. But the thing here is that in the Oppo Find X, when the cameras are open, we see a little gap here, and the gap isn't present over at the Mi Mix 3. Instead, it looks like the whole phone slides upwards. As we can see from here, this part should be present somewhere here, not around here. It seems something like this, where the whole phone slides in two halves. Now, I might be wrong about this. I couldn't find any hardcore evidence to prove this. And at the same time, this type of moving assembly might make the phone even more fragile than the Oppo Find X, which already failed the durability test. Xiaomi has not given any release date, but we are heading for a release in October. As the Mi Mix 3 gets closer to its release, we will get more and more images and information about the phone. I'm especially waiting to see how Xiaomi implements the sliding camera mechanism. If it works like what I just told you, I mean like this, it would be the first phone in many years to do something like this, and surely the first smartphone with no keyboard to have a complete sliding body. Let me know guys, what do you think about the sliding mechanism of the Mi Mix 3? Do you think that Xiaomi will implement something like this? Or do you think that it will be similar to Oppo Find X? Let me know in the comments down below. Do subscribe for much more videos on the upcoming Mi Mix 3. Don't forget to hit the like button, and I'll see you all guys tomorrow. Peace out.